story listening. Welcome to English Story Listening. On this channel, you will learn English through slow and easy stories. These stories will help you improve your listening, speaking, and vocabulary in a simple way. Today's story is about friendship. It is a simple and heart touching story about two students who become good friends and help each other in difficult times. Now let's begin. Who helped Ria when she was in trouble? Listen carefully to find the answer. Ria was a kind and quiet girl. She lived in a small town and went to a nearby school. She did not have many friends because she was shy. She liked reading books and spending time alone. One day, a new student joined her class. His name was Arjun. He was friendly and always smiling. The teacher asked him to sit next to Ria. At first, Ria felt nervous. She did not know what to say. But Arjun smiled and said, "Hi, my name is Arjun. What is your name?" Ria replied softly, "My name is Ria." From that day, they started talking. Arjun was very kind. He always helped Ria in class and shared his notes with her. Slowly, Ria began to feel more comfortable. One afternoon, Ria forgot her lunch at home. She was sitting alone and feeling sad. Arjun noticed this and came to her. "Why are you not eating?" he asked. "I forgot my lunch," Ria said. Arjun smiled and said, "Don't worry, we can share my lunch." Ria felt happy. That day, they ate together and talked a lot. Days passed and their friendship grew stronger. They studied together, played games, and helped each other. One day, there was an important test at school. Ria was very nervous because she did not understand one chapter. She felt worried and scared. Arjun saw her and asked, "What happened?" Ria said, "I don't understand this chapter. I think I will fail." Arjun said, "Don't worry, I will help you." After school, they sat together. Arjun explained everything slowly and clearly. Ria listened carefully and practiced. The next day, Ria felt more confident. She wrote her test well. After a few days, the results came. Ria was very happy because she passed the test with good marks. "Thank you so much, Arjun," she said. "You helped me a lot." Arjun smiled and said, "That's what friends do." One evening, Ria was walking home when it suddenly started raining heavily. She did not have an umbrella, so she stood under a tree and waited. Suddenly, Arjun came there with an umbrella. "Come, I will walk you home," he said. Ria smiled and said, "Thank you again." They walked together in the rain, talking and laughing. Ria realized that friendship is very special. A true friend always helps, cares, and stays with you in difficult times. Now, Ria was no longer lonely. She had a best friend who understood her and supported her. Answer: Arjun helped Ria when she was in trouble. I hope you enjoyed this story and improved your English listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Story Listening for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Bye!